Hey. Hey. Here we go.
Come on, dummies.
Here we go. Here we go. Toy. Ready? Who wants toy?
I just need one for Brutus.
Hey. Brutus wants the baby.
That's why you need to sit down.
Here.
It's not gonna do anything.
I just gotta do one for Brutus.
They're gonna run. They're gonna drop
Bro.
a collar on top of it.
Bro.
Here you go, Rox. Did you see what she did?
Come on. Where was the mouth chatter?
You know what I'm doing with my phone. I want to especially get Rox.
Brutus isn't doing it now. It's making me mad.
What do you got, Rox?
There he goes. There he goes.
All right, hold on a minute. Jenny, you're the one who's taking the ball.
Here, honey. You want to throw one out too?
Make sure you get her.
Who?
Roxy.
She's right here.
No, I know. Make sure you get her. You can hers. Jennifer, you're not all yours. Roxy's smart. Roxy takes hers and leaves. Ouch. Hey.
Hey, you guys aren't very good at this. Dummy.
He says, let me see the damn baby, will you? Look at him looking at the baby, at the dog. Look at him.